Hey, welcome back. It's Carl here. In Power BI today, we're going to be creating bookmarks. So in order to create bookmarks in Power BI, there's a few things that you need to do. We need to start inserting some data. So let me just do this real quick and then we'll get into creating that bookmark. All right, now we're back. So now that we have show region map and show region cells, now we can get into creating a bookmark. The first thing we're going to have to do though is create those actual bookmarks. So there's a few things that we're going to have to do in order to do that. So what we want to do now is go to view. Once we go to view, we have two things that we need to actually select. Of course, we need bookmarks, but we also need selections. In order to do bookmarks in Power BI, we have to be able to select the things that we want to show in each bookmark in order for those bookmarks to work. So first thing first, we have this selection pane here, and then we have our bookmark pane. So in order to get the bookmarks created, we first need to create the bookmarks. So let's just start with this first bookmark, and once you click on add, you can rename this bookmark, and this first bookmark is going to be just to show the region map. So we're just going to say show region map. We're going to hit enter there, and then let's just go ahead and create the second bookmark, since we know we're going to be using two bookmarks here, and the next one is just going to be show the region cells. So we're just going to show region cells. Now that we have those two bookmarks created, in order to initiate these bookmarks or to create the bookmarks function, we need to come over here and identify what we want to show versus what we want to hide. And how we hide and show things is we use our selection pane. So in this first show region map, we know we want to be able to show everything that's related to our region. So we don't want to get rid of the buttons. We just want to get rid of this region cells. So if we click on region cells, we see what populates, and we can just come here and get rid of region cells. So now it's just showing us the region map. And in order to get this to initiate, we want to come here to more options. So now it's showing the region map, and we just want to say update. Now that we've updated that, we have created our first bookmark. So now if we click on show region cells, we see both region map and we show region cells. However, if we go ahead and click on show region map, now we see that we only see that region map. So let's go ahead and create the bookmark for region cells as well. So if we come here and click region cells, we only want to see the region cells. So what we want to get rid of is the region map. So now that we selected the region map, we know we want to hide that one. So we hide that one. We come up here to our region cells and we click on update. And to now see these in action, we can actually come over here to our bookmarks to test this before we apply these actions to our actual buttons. We can come over here and test it and say region cells and region map. Now that we know that both of these are going to work, let's add one more bookmark, and that's going to be a show all bookmark. So let's just add this bookmark, and let's just rename this to show all. And first we got to go ahead and insert another image. Let's just insert this right here, and let's just shrink down the size of it. And on the inside of this, I'm gonna go to style, text, let's just say show all, and let's just make this. So now we have show all, and all we got to do to get this to act right is just unhide everything. So now we unhid everything. We come here, hit update, and now we have a show all button. So let's just test these. We got a region map, we have a region cells, and then we have a show all button. So how do we get this to work for our end users? So now we can just minimize this, and now we can come here to our shapes, and we can turn on the action. The action that we want to turn on is our bookmark action. So now we turn on this bookmark action. This is the show region map, so we just name it show region map. We do the same thing here. We turn on our actions, we turn it to bookmark, and then we just say this is my show all. And then we come here to region cells, we turn that on, and we come to bookmark, and we call that one our region cells. So now we've created the bookmarks. We can come here and do control click and see those bookmarks in action. So that is how you create bookmarks in Power BI, and now you should be good to go.